Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, October 12th, and today I'm going to start with our vendor preview and then give you the beautiful fabric that we have today. So today we have a returning vendor. This is Bulletproof sauces, and this is a sample of one of the sauces. This is the orange ginger sauce. And there's a picture of Rick and his sauces, and I will just read to you quickly what he's all about. Born out of necessity due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Bulletproof sauces quickly gained popularity in and around Raleigh, North Carolina. Within a few months, people in other cities were volunteering to help make sales in their communities, and the Sauce Highway was born. Wilmington to Asheville along I-40 and points in between. We're also shipping across the country, and fast forward, we're now in 16 independently owned specialty markets from the North Carolina mountains to its coast. We participate in weekly farmers markets, and we're growing every week. Once you've tried them, they'll quickly become a pantry staple. And Rick says he truly believes that it's the best sauce you've never, ever had. So he has several different varieties of sauce. This is the only one we have here. He'll be giving away one jar of two different types. So if you'd like to try some of the Bulletproof sauces for free, just comment wherever you're watching the video, and they will be available for pickup at the Handmade Market. Because they're in glass and because they are liquid, they will be very hard / impossible to ship. So these are going to be given to local customers that can come to the market on Saturday. So if you're one of those people, just comment where you're seeing us, and we will get you signed up and entered to win a jar of Bulletproof sauce. Now we've got a new fabric line for you. This is called Colorful, and I want to start by showing you this awesome quilt made with the line. Let's see, that is upside down, right side up. It's hard to tell. Sideways. This way? Okay. So this is the gorgeous quilt that can be made with the fabrics that I'm going to be showing you. The center panel, the center pictures of the animals is a panel, and then the other pieces are all part of the collection. We do have this as a kit, and then we're also selling the panel on its own. So come on around and I'll show you the rest of it. This is the panel by itself. Let's see if I can get this one right side up for you. There's the panel. And I love how there's enough space between the squares to actually cut it out and still get some of the black pattern involved in your quilt top. So you can make the choice on whether you use the black edging or not. And then here is the fabric. This colorful collection by Jason Yenger comes together for a darling quilt featuring the main animal panel, or you can use any of the supporting prints to add a vibrant touch to any quilt. The lively dots are available in a rainbow of colors, and this is by In the Beginning Fabrics. In the Beginning is a company based out of Seattle, Washington. So whenever we call them, we have to wait until it's about lunchtime. Otherwise, they are not there yet. That reminds me of that TV pattern. The test pattern on the TVs. And then this is that same print that's in between the blocks on the panel. That could be used for so many great things. Oof. And then here are those colorful dots. And I do like that they are a variety of shades of the color that they are. So I love the way they're used in that quilt as well. And these are smaller bolts, and of course we've cut off quite a bit to make some kits. So if you like these, you're going to want to grab them quickly because they are probably 6 yards on each bolt at this point. And, ooh, that's a fun one. I love that color green. And of course my favorite, purple. And pink. And there's a purple-pink combo. We got a little magenta going. And then a really interesting sort of aqua teal color going on. So I'll move these out so you can see the variety of colors in there. It's a really fun collection. And of course, the reminder that the Handmade Market is just a few days away. It is only 2 weeks left, 2 weeks and a few days left in the All Carolina Shop Hop. So if you haven't come seen us for that, be sure to come and see us. And we have lots of other things going on. We're going to be vending at a quilt show in the Mebane area in a week and a half. So there's always something new happening around here. And I hope that you will come and enjoy all of the new things with us. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.